Hey, what's up, everyone? This is your friend Prithviraj. I'm back with another video of a village tour. Uh, Today, I'm back at the riverside. All of you guys know that I love the river so much. It's my passion since childhood, and I decided to come here in the morning. Wow, the road looks very nice, clean. The weather, the morning sunlight. Oh my God! It's awesome. And I tell you one thing, I could not stop myself recording this video. I found very green around here, and I found that very there are some few locations that are ideal for my cinematic shots. The road here a little bit clumsy. There is muddy here, but you know that I can do this. Okay. Okay. So everything looks pretty good. I'm on my way to the farm, but the road passes through the river, so I decided to give it a try. Oh, I'm halfway there. Oh my God, what do we have? Millets, mixed fruits. I found something. Oh my God. Oh, there's no single fish here. Oh my God, the morning like this, the breeze, the pure air, the feeling of happiness that I get from coming village every now and then is unimaginable. Man, the road is blocked from there. I could go, but I am afraid that there might be some spiky woods that can cut into my foot, and uh, I don't want it to happen. So let's head back to the main road. From here I will head straight to the farm. Okay, I think we should take a U-turn from here. Okay, the road. Okay, nice. Oh, very good. Okay. Uh, I mean, uh, it's I like after 3 years. After 3 years, the river is flowing. Past 2 years, there was not a single drop of rain here, so the river was not flowing. And only this year, it had rain plenty. So the scene is really good, really nice. This is my cousin's farm. This one also. He has sowed jawar here. Okay, so almost there. My feet got into the mud. It's little dirty, but that's not an issue. When I will be going back from the river bank, I'll be washing my feet, hands, both. Oh, I think the sun is behind me, so the video is like brightens my face. Okay, going that way. I think it's my. I think I'm doing this video after a very long time because I have not been practicing English that way. This is my neighbor's farm. I think he's into planning to crop sugar canes here. I mean, who does not want sugar cane? easy money. And by the way, I forgot to tell you that the road has been recently modified. It's a lot of better, 10 times better than what it was before. I know that my English is not grammatically correct, or I'm not pronouncing some words correctly, but I would not. How would how would I? How can I improve without trying? So for that, this is a little trying I'm doing. Let's take some leaves on my way. They are really nice looking, so I cannot stop myself from taking the leaves. Okay, I think 3-4 minutes and I'll be in my farm. Oh, the music morning, the bhajans, and the wow, so my god. The our neighboring village, Bauchi, there's 7 days, 7 days, what do you call there? Ceremony, function, cultural festival. We call that Akhand Harinam Saptah. Oh, the nine. They would be reading ancient texts such like Bhagavad Gita, Granthraj, Jnaneshwari, Tukaram Gatha, like that. When I was here, uh, I was really joyful and faithful person. I participated in that actively, and I enjoyed a lot. And I miss that good old days. Also, this is the road I took left from the main road, and now I am onto the intersection which leads to my farm. This is the farm which I told you that neighbor is planning to crop here as sugarcanes, and this is another neighbor. This farm was previously was our property, but my grandfather sold it, and now we have 2 acres less than what we had before my dad's marriage. Oh, God, this cold, every time I come to the village, cold does not leave me alone. Okay, almost there. Nice. Hey. So this is my uncle farm, and from here I'm going to right, going straight to the farm. So this I like this tree so much. Back in the days, umber tree, or you can call a fig, because the fruit looks the same, but it is not. It is less likely to be edible because there are lots of tiny insects inside. I now probably I should. It was a good idea to avoid it. Okay, so this is my farm. Yes, my farm. Here, I think we recently, we have taken yield of onions. Now it is chickpeas here, or Bengal gram. Going. That wait. I will show you the trees that I have been planting. I think it's lockdown period. Yes, during lockdown period, we planted a variety of trees. I wouldn't be going that much far. Okay, that's coconut tree right there. These two my mango boys. Say hi. And this is another mango tree. This is huge. This is Jumbo. I like this boy. He's a smart boy. Another coconut tree. Two of them. Mango tree here. It's little inside the fence. And a guava tree here. Another. Okay. Okay. Another guava tree here. Let's go that side. I think I should probably upload this video on YouTube, and I'm definitely gonna upload it. Okay, so I'm in the farm right now. Nice. This tower behind me, a distribution tower. Okay, I think I'm gonna take a little walk into my farm. From there, like there's the road from there, circular way, and I will be back after some time here. Okay, I think that's it for the video right now. I'll be closing. Bye.